Ano?
Ano yung ulam natin, Tita Helen?
Ha?
Ano yung ulam natin?
Anong gusto mo ulam? Longganisa, ano yung camera natin dapat pakawanan mo tayo?
Ito, video. Kayo, lo, ano kinakain nyo?
Matawag na naman mami mo.
Naku, ang dami na naman pagkain yan.
Are you home? I'm trying to call you landline.
Madali na naman. Depress na naman yun.
Sabi ko, call now. Palabas kami ha.
Kadarating na lang.
Ito si Bia, nakikikain.
Ate May.
Oh, what are you kids, what are you kids eating? Megan, what are you eating? Ikaw, what are you eating?
Longganisa.
What do you plan to do after eating?
Bomb cars, horseback riding.
Yes, and?
Hiking. Again.
O ikaw, what do you plan to do after?
Sleep.
Ate May.
Sad about my life.
Kaya ikaw,
Ano? I am sad about
sabi mo,
my life.
ang sagot mo doon, when did you become
When
happy
did you
with your life?
when did you ever be?
Pinag-usapan niya yung nanay ko, di ba naka-record to, makikita niya, makikita niya to.
Marinig niya.
Ano?
Ay, oo. Magkano?
224.